Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to do a really quick unboxing my Chanel recent purchases. Well, this is a real unboxing. I actually purchased this item last week. I want to do this real unboxing with you. So as you see, nobody has actually opened up these packages before this, and it's all packaged very well. This is a very classic piece. When I open it up, you will see, oh my god, maybe you will see it's so boring because it's not a seasonal piece. It's a very classic piece, and this piece always increased their prices in the past few years, and I never actually have my eyes on it until now. As soon as I want to get this bag, it's been so hard to get because of pandemic, and Chanel does not make so many of inventories. There is a very long story about this bag. I placed my name on the wait list last year. I got one shipment. I tried on it. I don't like it because I specifically want a yellow gold hardware, but for that shipment, even though on the price tag it says it's a yellow gold, but the actual bag looks like it's silver. I even asked the sales about it, and the sales said they can do nothing about it because it says it's yellow gold, but it looks like really silver. So I happened to just not take that bag back then, and then they placed my name on the wait list once again. This time I happened to wait from March until now, 3-4 months now. I keep checking back with my sales every 2 weeks, and they always said, sorry, we don't have shipments at all, especially for this bag. Finally, I got it last week, last Wednesday. I happened to be in the store. So actually she texted me the day before release. She said, we received this shipment, it's gonna be released tomorrow, can you stop by? I was like, sure, I'm gonna stop by tomorrow for sure. So when I was there, the whole store is packed. I don't know what's wrong. It's a lot of people in Chanel that day. It's the first day release. Anyhow, I happened to get this bag. I'm really happy with it. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna open together. Can you guys guess? It's a mini bag. I always want a mini bag these days because we're not taking laptop with us anymore. This is the storage bag from Chanel. And this is the actual bag. Let me show you really close. This is my classic Chanel mini flap. I know this looks like silver too, but I asked about them. So once we take this off, if you're looking at the undertone, it's champagne color. I am okay with this color this time. Brand new from the store. This is a lambskin. So Chanel stopped to produce caviar leather for minis. This is a black color with champagne hardware. This is a long-awaited item. I always want to get this item. I didn't get a chance to. So this is how it looks like inside. I was so excited to get this bag. Yeah. So inside there is one big pocket, and there is a zipper line here that you can put small little cards inside. I don't know if the camera can show you because it's too dark. So what's new about mini bags this season for Chanel is that they actually stopped making the black card, the authentical card. So what they did in place is that they have this metal in front of the bag. Every time if you want to authentic a bag, this is the one that you can take it to the boutique and authentic. That's what my sales telling me, and this is the first season that they're not doing that. Don't feel like it's a fake Chanel bag if they don't have the authentic card now. Starting June 2021, Chanel stopped making those authentic cards. I even like this way better because they probably have some kind of code with this metal instead of that card. It's so easy to get copied on. This is how it looks like. I just been wanting this bag for so long. And I finally get my hands on it. I was so appreciate that I was able to actually get this bag. And nowadays it's just so hard to get those classic pieces, and I hope they're not increase their price anymore. So I never tried this on. I'm gonna try it on crossbody just to show you. So this is how it sits on me. I like it. I feel like this is a perfect length for me. Where it sits on me, I feel like it's not too low, not too long. I am personally 5'2", so this is where it sits on me. It's just perfect and so classic. I'm just loving it. Oh my god. The leather, it's just so soft. It's lambskin. After I use for a while, I will let you know the wear and tear for lambskin. I heard Chanel lambskin is very durable actually, especially for those mini bags, and if you have scratches, you can smooth it out very easily. And I'm gonna use and let you guys know how it looks like. And on the back, there is a small pocket as well. I don't know, I just loving this bag. I've been trying getting this bag since last year, and I got one time and I don't like the hardware, and then we're trying for the second time and I really like this page. It's never been opened before, so really appreciate and really been loving it. So that's pretty much about it today. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know how do you think about the Chanel Classic Mini and about their price increase. Do you think it's still worth it to buy a Chanel bag right now? Right now I paid about $4,000 USD here in the United States, and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, I have a wallet on the chain. If you want me to do a comparison, I can certainly do that as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.